Hello YouTube, this is Werewolf, and you are currently watching Werewolf at the Movies. I am coming at you from beautiful Hope, British Columbia. Now, for those of you who do not know, Hope is where they filmed the first Rambo film. And that being said, that's the film that I'm gonna review right now. Yeah! Alright, so what do we got here? Obviously, you can see why they would film it here. It's freaking gorgeous. Lots of mountains, lots of trees, lakes and rivers and animals and all sorts of crazy awesome shit. I switched my mic setup too, so I hope that you guys can still hear me. It's just I may or may not have been driving really fast and the helmet was jamming the microphone into my cheekbone and I started to get a headache. Where was I? Right, Rambo. Well, it's not even Rambo. The movie is actually called First Blood. They put the Rambo in afterwards. Whatever, it doesn't matter. So, we have... I thought there was photo radar. I was like, what the hell are they doing on the highway? Especially here in the middle of nowhere. Obviously, we all know that First Blood, I'm going to start calling it Rambo, just Rambo. Rambo is about a ex-military fellow by the name of John Rambo. John Rambo. And all he wants to do is just live in peace, man. Just totally live in peace. Alright? But no, some dickweed sheriff had to go and piss him off.
Why don't you see if you can clean him up a little bit?
All right, I'll meet you outside.
Smells like an animal.
In Hope. See, Hope. But in the film they called it Hope, Washington. But it was actually filmed here in Hope, British Columbia. Anyways, I digress. Onwards and upwards we go. So, they arrest John Rambo for being a shady character who's walking through their town. He didn't even do anything wrong. It was just total bullshit. They're just picking on him because he's a war vet. And that's not cool, man. So, it ends up with Rambo escaping into the wilderness, which you can see through my GoPro camera, is pretty extensive. And it's a manhunt that ensues, and then Rambo gets back at everybody for basically pissing him off, like for coming after him. He's basically saving himself is what he's doing. The cast of this film is as follows. There is Sylvester Stallone.
Nothing is over! Nothing! You just don't turn it off! It wasn't my war!
I'd say of Rambo fame, but seeing as I am currently talking about a Rambo film, it is Sylvester Stallone of Rocky fame. You have David Caruso.
How blind are you? Can't you see this guy's crazy?
Can't you see I don't give a shit?
Who wishes that he was famous, but he's really only on CSI Miami. And to be honest with you, that's all I really remember. But I am gonna rate this film 8.5 8.5 exploding gas stations out of 10. 8.5 exploding gas stations out of 10. This was a real quick one, obviously because I'm just sailing through Hope. I wish I could have stayed longer to have a nice chat with you guys and show you around, but there's really nothing in Hope. So, that being said, I am Werewolf. This has been Werewolf at the Movies, all about Rambo First Blood. I hope you enjoyed yourself. Until next time, see you later.